guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I wasn't going to film this video, then I thought, maybe someone's just curious about what could possibly be inside one of these Urban Decay mystery boxes. So I'm just going to show you guys right now. I already did unbox it, so nothing will really be too much of a surprise for me, but in case you're wondering what comes in one of these boxes, now you will have a better idea. So out of all the Urban Decay mystery boxes, and there are a bunch of options, you can go on the site and go check it out. I got the hot, sticky, and sweet mystery gift, and this is what I got inside of it. So the first thing I got is the Urban Decay Cherry palette. I've been wanting this since like last year. It's so pretty. I love this. I love all the colors. I will use all the colors. I'm so excited. I love the Urban Decay eyeshadow formulas. I just started getting into it this year and I am blown away. It is so nice. Okay, next thing I got was the Urban Decay Honey palette. I remember when this came out. This is also very beautiful. I love gold colors. I love gold eyeshadow, so I'm super excited to get into this. And then I got a third palette. I got the Urban Decay Heat palette. See what it looks like. Ooh, I love these. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So excited to start digging into this one. And then with my mystery gift, I also got a mascara. This is the Perversion Volumizing Mascara. Ooh, it's fancy. I've never tried Urban Decay mascara, so I'm excited. So if you're wondering where the hot, sticky, and sweet came from, I'm assuming the Heat palette, we got hot, and honey, so it's sticky, and then sweet with the cherry. So hot, sticky, and sweet. I'm guessing that's where that title came from, which, fun fact, right after I ordered this, I looked it up and I was like, okay, what palettes do they consider hot, sticky, or sweet? And it was actually all three of these, so I guessed correctly, and I'm really excited because I love all of these and I will definitely use all of them. And then the mascara is an extra fun bonus, but I'm glad I bought it. I think it was a good deal with all these fun things. Anyway, that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope to see you in my next video. Have a good rest of your day and I'll catch you next time. Bye!